Record-setting warmth for some and close to that in other spots. One of the spots that fell just shy of the record, downtown in the Queen City. Concord tied a record for the day. Lebanon breaking a record for this 30th day of the month of December. Right now it's still quite mild, 54 degrees. The average high is around 20 below that, and that's typically reached at around 1 in the afternoon. So normally at this hour we're down to around 30 or 31. So again, unseasonable warmth overhead at the current time. The winds are out of the southwest, indicating the milder air coming in from that direction, but starting tomorrow, a little bit cooler, but pleasantly so, and fair amount of sun with some increasing clouds as the day wears on. 2 bouts of impact weather coming in starting overnight tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, and then another one behind that storm on Thursday. That's focused in on gusty winds that could crank up over 35 to 40 miles per hour. Some strong winds even into Friday could lead to some scattered outages. Till that happens though, heading out tomorrow and tomorrow night, so many have outdoor plans. The daylight hours are dry. In a good part of the evening, a lot of this rain and snow to the north will hold off until after 11 o'clock or midnight tomorrow night. So again, timing working out in our favor. One storm departing brought the heavy rain for many and some breezy conditions, but winds not all that bad, along with the unseasonably warm temperatures. Right now, 40s from Berlin to Plymouth, Lebanon, and Jaffrey, but 50 or higher, Laconia South, even back through Keene and along the coastline. And look at this, overnight tonight we're dropping back into the 30s. The normal low, 16. These are very close to the average high temperatures for this time of year that'll drift in for the overnight stretch. And it does cool down a little bit for tomorrow. Wind flow out of the west-southwest, driving temperatures back into the 40s for many ahead of the system, but warm enough that it's primarily rain when it arrives central and south. Notice daylight hours tomorrow dry. After about 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, clouds will thicken, and from around 11 o'clock or midnight on, the rain breaks out, but again, the road's primarily wet. Laconia South, snowy to the north into early on Wednesday. And then it all departs by early afternoon to the north on Wednesday, a little bit earlier to the south. How much snow are we talking about? Generally 2 to 4 inches during the overnight into the morning hours on Wednesday, except 4 to 8 in the higher terrain and a coating to 2, Laconia just south of Plymouth, into the Lake Sunapee area. Then the major focus turns to wind on Thursday. Friday still quite breezy, and look at the temperatures heading into the first weekend of the new year. Seasonably cold, but feeling even colder when you factor in the wind.